Welcome to Sparkwork. In today's video we will learn about how to create a series. Firstly, click on the Content Center icon in the top right corner. From here select Create Series option. Here on the top this is the title of your series. You can edit it by clicking here. Here you can choose the language as per your preference. On the right side, this is the Series Options button. By clicking here you can access different series options. You can enable or disable it as per your requirement. You can also add any cover image related to your series by clicking here. Now here you can add any description about your series. This is the available content created by you that you can add to a series by clicking the plus button. For example, I am adding one post and one course to this series. You can remove added content by clicking here. Now that you have created your series, up next you will select who can access the series you just created above. These are the organizational units created by you, and you can select multiple units if you want. I am selecting Area A. On the right side, you can choose channels also if you want to show the series to a particular channel. Now, here you can pick any category related to your series, or you can type tags by yourself related to your series. Now, everything is done. You can watch a preview of your series by clicking the preview button here. Looks great. Let's go back and publish it. That's it. Your series is successfully published. It will be visible on the units and channels you have chosen. Training for creating a series is completed now. We hope this video has been helpful to you.